Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the Global Tales, and today I'm going to share one weight loss tea recipe that you can add to your daily regime and can see amazing benefits for yourself. So that is a homemade natural weight loss tea with all the ingredients that are available with us. Very simple and very easy to make. I'm always one of those person who try to experiment on myself with these natural things that are available and how actually it process and reacts with our body. So I was reading one book and I got this recipe, so I decided why not try it for myself. So I've been having this since a month now, and I can see immense and tremendous benefits that it has provided to my body. And also I've recommended this magic weight loss drink to many of my students and they have seen very great weight loss results. So I just decided that as for now, as all of those people are getting so good results out of this magic weight loss tea, why should I not recommend it to my Glories, my GGT family? So here is the recipe that I'm going to share. This magic weight loss tea that I'm going to share today will help you detoxify your body, helps lower your cholesterol, your diabetes, and is very good for people who are also having thyroid. Great for weight loss. You'll see that you are able to boost your metabolic rate and lose weight at a great rate, at a much increased rate as compared to normal. People who are having diabetes can see great result in maintaining their sugar levels, because I have seen this with my father. He has been having it since 15 to 20 days and his diabetes is in control, his sugar level is in control in spite of having that much sugar. So yes, this is a magic weight loss tea that will really help you. Just add this into your daily routine and you can see tremendous benefits. So yes, let's get into the video, but before heading towards, that you need to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because only when you hit the notification bell you will get notified about all my videos. So make sure that you hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button. So yes, let's get into the video.
The ingredients that we're using for making this magic weight loss tea are purely natural spices that have been proved to give various benefits to our body because of their medicinal properties. This magical weight loss tea will benefit you only when you take care of the measurements in this recipe. Its measurement and the temperature at which it is prepared is the main and the most important thing to be taken care of in the recipe. So beginning with adding 2 cups of water, make sure that you are accurate with the size of the cup and add exactly 2 cups of water. Then we are going to add 1 or 1.5 inch of ginger, a very small piece. You can add it directly. There are many medicinal properties that ginger has to offer because of the substance called gingerol present in ginger. Then we are going to add 1 cinnamon stick. You can get it very easily. Cinnamon helps to lower down the blood cholesterol and blood sugar, and also because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it's anti-diabetic. Then we are going to add 2 to 3 black peppercorns. These are kali mirch. You can just add them directly. It has various medicinal properties that helps to boost your immunity. Then we are going to add 2 to 3 cloves. Cloves again has anti-inflammatory properties because of which it helps you to boost immunity and helps in digestion to a great extent. Then we are going to add 2 to 3 cardamom pods, that is elaichi. Seeds of elaichi, you can directly put them or just peel them off and add the seeds in the recipe. Again, because of the anti-inflammatory properties of all these spices, it's very good for your immunity and helps in your digestion process, avoids bloating and hence helps in weight loss. Then you're going to let it boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we are going to add 1 lemon to it. Lemon acts as a natural fat burner. It helps in cutting down your fat that you have consumed through your salty and fatty foods and will help you digest your meal very soon. Having lemon in this tea actually makes it a perfect weight loss drink, and you can be assured of great weight loss results after consuming it every day. So we are just squeezing one lemon. Be sure of measurement, as I'm saying again and again. Only when you are accurate with your measurements, you will be able to reach your desired results with this magic weight loss tea. So make sure that you are accurate with your measurements. We are using exactly one lemon here. Then we are going to let it boil for at least 7 to 9 minutes. Now here again, it's very important that you let it boil for at least 7 to 9 minutes, because only then the properties of those spices will get extracted and it will get mixed up in this weight loss tea. The most common mistake that we all do is that we don't allow the spices to lose its property and get mixed up in the tea that we are actually having, or the water that we are having for as a detox. So make sure that you let it boil for about 7 to 9 minutes. The quantity of water from 2 cups is just reduced to 1 single cup. And it is then when you know that your magic weight loss tea is ready. So when you see that the quantity is reduced to half, then your water is completely boiled and the properties of all the spices is extracted and your magic weight loss tea is ready. Then you are just going to filter it out and consume it like a regular tea. This magic weight loss tea will help to boost your metabolic rate. So when you will consume it every day, you will easily digest the food that you have had for that particular day. The benefits of this magic weight loss drink is just because of the natural spices that we have used in making of this tea. And these spices have been proved since ancient time to act as a natural medicines for our body. And it reacts very purely, very organically to cure various diseases in our body. So make sure that you have this weight loss tea every day in order to get maximum benefits for yourself. Now the question is when to have this magic weight loss tea. So having this every day 30 minutes before your bedtime will give you guaranteed results, because at night your body goes into rest and recovery. So when you have taken something like this 30 minutes prior to your bedtime, your body easily gets adapted to it and your metabolic rate for the next day is boosted to altogether different level. You can also add 1 tablespoon of honey to it in order to reduce the soreness. This drink will help you in PCOD, Pcos, diabetes, thyroid and many other problems of your body. And I assure you that it will give you great weight loss results. Make sure of the quantity and the preparation of this drink, and I assure you that it will work as a magic for all of you.
Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel for regular health and fitness related videos, and do hit the notification bell along so that you get notified about all my videos. So yeah, that's about this video. I hope you'll find it useful. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, bye.